What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to Dubai by Emirates airplane. I heard a lots of rumors that it's better than other airplanes, but I'm gonna experience it and I'll truly tell you if it is better or not. There were lots of people and too much walking. That made it a little bit harder to find the immigration spot, but somehow we found it. After passing through the check-in counters, I finally arrived into the plane and I'm finding my seat. Okay guys, I found the seat and the seat is kinda comfortable and I'm checking out what is in the TV. There are lots of entertainments like movies, games, music, and I love everything. And it will keep me accompanied for a long time. The food was amazing. I loved it. It was very tasty and the orange juice was a little bit sour, but it's fine. And I got bread and a water bottle, caramel pudding, fruit salad, some spreads like strawberry spreads, butter, and a wet towel for clean my face, and the chicken and roti was the best. It was actually one of the tastiest food I've ever eaten. And I was watching the Doctor Strange movie again and again and again. Okay guys, we reached our destination to Dubai. plane. I was mesmerized of the view. After that, I got into the bus and going to reach the airport. I actually recommend you the Emirates airplane, and thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. Hit the like button, and I'll see you next time. Bye.